Hello. Oh yeah, this is from previous stream as well. When I was streaming the hello guys. I'll talk about this after a bit. Hello, welcome to my stream. This is the last stream of this month of July, and right here I have the ICT image from from Saturday stream. I haven't changed it, so I'm gonna do that now. So let me just remove this and then do this and uncheck this. Trading view. Okay. Hello, Silo. Hello, my man. Hello, welcome, Silo. You're my man. Come on. Hello. Oh wait. Hello. 1 second. Hello. Well, I didn't pin you because I messed up the name, but hello. Yeah, I got this buy side and this buy side Jones, so we're just gonna wait for some time. I'm gonna post. Wait, let me check this. So there's no giveaway. Remove this. Okay. I'm gonna live streams. Okay, perfect. So edit this. Okay, it's live on Discord as well. Okay, yeah, we're gonna start soon, just a couple of minutes, 3 minutes, and then we can start with our analysis, and this will be good. Can you guys hear me well? Wait, let me turn on my stream. Wait, I lowered my sound a little bit, so maybe it's better now. Oh, welcome. Nice. Well, I'll lower my volume a little bit because it's like shh, because I have window open, so it might be better now. So now it's not like zooming too much, so it's kind of better. So I was looking at EU. I don't know why, but it just had this nice buy side liquidity in this fair value gap, but I'm not interested anymore because I really want to see it go above it. Could be a maybe potential forex demo trade to look into forex a little bit, but I wouldn't trade it. And then we have this volume imbalance on Nasdaq, which is important, and then this buy side liquidity on SPX. So we're just gonna wait a couple of more minutes. Let me just know because I've lowered my volume by 5 decibels. So if it's better now or before, or should I put it a little bit lower? This is the gap right here. So we're consolidating right now. If you see a displacement, could be move away from the gap and going for this buy side as well. And we will start soon. So I'll be right back. Just gotta get my phone. 1 sec. Okay. Yeah, I think it's okay to start because it's 8:30 and it's now the market opens, the New York session starts. So okay. I'll check the news before we start. Do you have any news? I believe there's no news. Yeah, there's nothing for this week, and then Friday there's unemployment rate, unemployment claims. Uh, it's okay. No, nothing's today, so no news, and we're good to go. Okay, so well again, for those who weren't here when I said it, welcome back to another stream. This is the last stream in the month. Let's smash that win, hopefully. And now we're gonna show you what I'm looking for during the week, and what I'm expecting, what is my bias, what I'm looking for, and so forth. Gauzy, hello, man. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. So we're gonna start with the daily, and I'm gonna remove everything. So what I see is we are respecting this we were respecting the fair value gap right here. We didn't close below it, went up again, didn't close below it. We wicked multiple times below it, but respected it. Now we broke after we went down. We broke the high, or wait, did we? Yeah, we first went down, and now we're gonna break the high. So this could be a liquidity, buy side liquidity for a low resistance liquidity run, and we are expanding. We are forming the volume imbalance, but this could be a sign we will go higher because this volume imbalance is actually a new week opening gap. So this is the bullish order block right here, and you see how nicely we reacted from it. So we had a order block right here. We didn't close below it. Jesus Christ, this is awesome. Okay, thank you so much. Jesus Christ, appreciate it. So we had this order block. We did go deep into it, but didn't close below it. We just wicked, which is fine. Bodies tell the story. Wicked do the damage, and then we went up, changes date of delivery, wicked, and now open, wicked, Judah swing up. So I'm expecting price to take out this buy side liquidity, which is in 1 hour. It's this high, as I told you. So we have buy side above here, and we have buy side above those equal highs as well. So buy side here, buy side here. So those are my joint liquidity points. And we have any fair value gaps. As you can see, we have this order block, which looks like it's gonna be traded through. We are respecting the down close candles right here. Up close candles are now going to be violated. I expect it to be so, and now my joint liquidity is this high, and this high. Let's go to 15-minute. We have this imbalance, as I said. This imbalance is important because price did a lot of price action happened in there. So see, we respected it, went below it, but didn't like violate this down close candle that acts as an order block. We went above it, respected it, wicked multiple times, and then we see expansion from the new week opening gap. And if we see displacement probably above this high, but even if we see displacement in this range, then we could go for this high. I'm confident we'll go for this high. So in the 5-minute, I don't really want to go to the 5-minute because there's nothing clear. The one thing that is clear are those equal highs, and those equal highs, 1 2 3 or 4 equal highs right here, and then 2 equal highs right here. So this is really nice point of liquidity. Have this fair value gap, we can tap into one more time and then continue higher. But my joint liquidity for today is higher, which means that our silver bullet could also be to the upside. If we see there's 10 handles like here and then 10 handles from here, the range is kind of obvious. So 15 minute. So my bias again is bullish, but overall I think we can go higher. As you can see, this is the order block I was telling you. So we opened, we went up a little bit above, took this buy side, below, took the buy side right above, below here, but went into the order block, and then we're going for this buy side liquidity now. It's really easy to understand that we're going for this buy side liquidity. Once you really look at it and try to make it a story that everything like comes together, then it's really easy. And then I mean, this is A30 right here, so we could see a Judas swing taking this low out and then move up. Even though in the 1 minute we had this fair value gap, but there's nothing obvious. So we have buy side liquidity, and now we have to see if we see displacement. If we see displacement, if this candle closes aggressively, this could be a decent entry, but not what I'll be looking for. So this is what so now, as I said, this could be an entry at here or here, then stop loss here. It wouldn't be ideal, but could be a nice 1-to-1, but I don't really like this. As I said, there's no Judas swing, which I like, the liquidity being taken, buyers that trail the stop loss right here being stopped out, and then price going higher without them. This would be the ideal scenario to go long, which we will see what price does. So let's see. Now I'm really expecting price to draw to this level. As I said, from the story we said before, we are in an uptrend, respecting the down close candles right here, right here, right here, right here, and now here as well. So I'm expecting price to draw to the upside. So okay, so after this is cleared out, we can go to Nasdaq and see what I see there. So my bias for SPX is clearly bullish. Joint liquidity is clearly bullish. Price is like really made to go higher, especially when we break out of this consolidation. And now let's see what Nasdaq does. So we started the daily, and we see a daily we are respecting the imbalances. Well, not really respecting, we disrespected this imbalance. Let's see, there's liquidity and higher time frame TDRA, few points above price. We're looking for shorts when price reaches there. Yeah, of course, but my bias still is really bullish. I'd like to see this liquidity, all this liquidity being taken. But as you said, there's how did you say there's high time frame TDRA, correct? But this liquidity is my really nice joint liquidity, which I would like to see taken before I would look for any shorts. But as I said, my bias is clearly bullish, so if I would want to go short, I would really want to see a Judas swing above around 930 as manipulation, but I wouldn't go short before 930. but I would go long before 9:30 because my bias is more like um it's more biased to the long side. But if I would want to go short, I would do it after 9:30 or around 9:30 due to swing. So from 8:30 to 9:30. That that is when I would look for shorts, not or when this liquidity or this liquidity, preferably this liquidity. But when this is taken around 9:30, that could be a nice short, but not at the moment because we didn't even take it. So. But yeah, correct. There's a lot of PDRAs. There's a breaker right here from the higher time frame. There's up close candles. There's a fair value gap. There's this fair value gap we're in. But I'm expecting to draw buy side liquidity, and I'm gonna mark it draw on liquidity. Oops. American keyboard. So yeah. So I'm really expecting once we displaced with this candle, I'm expecting this candle and next candles to impulsively draw to here, and then what happens is could be a consolidation, could be a continuation with a low resistance liquidity run, or as Leticia said, could be a reversal because this is the buy side liquidity. So I'm gonna just put in as short term join liquidity. Okay, now we can go to Nasdaq. So the thing is, we violated this, so my bias wasn't like confirmed because we still didn't violate the fair value gap on SPX, but we reacted from here. We left a little bit of gap open, which could be a breakaway gap. But it is not near the low, so I wouldn't call it a breakaway gap. But we reacted from here. We see this up close candles are not being tapped in, which is a good thing. We have this down close candle, which is acting as support right here. So ultimately, we hit a volume imbalance. We did react to it. So from close to open, this is new week opening gap, which is also a volume imbalance on daily chart. We hit it, we reacted from it for now. So let's go to the 4 hour to see a little bit more clear, or 1 hour. So we reacted from it and now at around 50%. We don't have any clear PDRAs. We have this fair value gap or this gap, but my most likely draw is around this high or this high, because we violated multiple fair value gaps and now we're respecting the down close candles. But we could see a consolidation around this new week opening gap, volume imbalance on daily chart, whatever you want to call it. I don't really trade Nasdaq, but I like to use it as confirmation for my SPX trades. And now the one important pair I'm looking for is also important index is also the DXY. So Jesus Christ, will this be live? Will this live be available after the stream? Yeah. So if you go to my I'm sorry for interruption, but if you go to my channel, and then you will see home, video, shorts, live, playlist, community, channels about. So after this, you click on live, and then you will have all live streams I had. You see there's previous trading days, there is the ICT Twitter space that I stream live at Saturday, and now there's today's stream. So if you go there, you can, and this stream will be saved, so you can watch it there once it's processed after being the live stream. But yeah, you can, of course. YouTube saves it automatically. So what I'm looking for on the XY on daily chart is what I'm looking for in daily chart is basically we violated this volume imbalance, which we reacted like almost perfectly to the tick, shoot up, violated this as well with kind of close, but then we hit this volume imbalance, which we rejected from. But what I saw is also, if you look at this low, in this low. I used this one at Friday 16th June 2023. I used this low because but you may be asking, why did I use this low right here? Well, we have a rejection block which was being confirmed when this can traded into, but it didn't close below it. So we traded into and then went up. We also have a line with this fair value gap that we hit, and volume balance, which we reacted perfectly. So I guess if you want, you can use this low, but let's see. So we're gonna mark, but look at this. So I marked this out before. I have marked this out after like at around Friday. I was watching how we react from this low. So let's see the precision now from this low and this low. But I like this low because there's only a wick, and as I said, there's a rejection block, which this low, this price swing made extended right here. Now we can look how price reacted. So you can see this blue line was violated. This was this low, but the low I had marked out wasn't violated at all. It was respected almost perfectly. We closed just a few ticks below it, and then we straight down. We broke this low, or this low. Market check the shift. We had a fair value gap right here and right here. I would prefer this one because it's still aligning with 50%, right? But you also have to cover this one. So at least your stop loss, if you would go short right here, would have to be at least right here. Now I wouldn't go short here, but this is just where your stop loss should be when you're taking trades. It should be at least, if you're trading a fair value gap, it should be at least above, if you're shorting, above the candle that made the fair value gap, and if you're buying, below the candle that made the fair value gap. This is the minimum stop loss you should be, because you have to respect the risk. So once we see this, we could see that we are kind of bearish, but the thing is we're still in a big uptrend, so we are still trading above. We swept liquidity, cannibal it up. So the most obvious liquidity for sell side liquidity would be here, which I think we can go higher, but my bias is kind of neutral, which is more short, bias for short, but we can still go up because we're respecting the down close candles and we're in the up, moving up. There's still equilibrium, and we traded above it. So let's see. So now the bias is established for this week. We are kind of bullish for SPX, which is kind of clear for me. That's why I trade SPX, and Nasdaq also. Nasdaq doesn't have its clear bias, but it's okay. Okay, so this is the thing I told you, exactly what I told you. We hit this, so you could go long right here. Stop loss below the low. Target 1-to-1. Hit your target, easy. This is basically easy bread and butter trade. I don't trade those setups, but because I don't really like the 1 hour. But if you're a scalper, if you just need 1% to pass the challenge, if you're in drawdown, I would suggest you took these trades, because as I said, we had a nice this was the trade I outlined before, by the way. So we had a nice move down, as I said, swept liquidity. We swept this liquidity as well, trapped the ones going long. Then we came into the order block, and then everyone did a short, also got stopped out. So there's a lot of stops being taken in this move, and now we're going up, taking this buy side liquidity that was made after we before we tapped into the order block, and then we hit it just now. So this is bread and butter setup, basically. There's nothing wrong. I'm not mad at myself for not taking it, because it's totally okay, but this is really nice setup. And as I said, it's coming around 9 right now, so if you see a short, this could be maybe could be a potential setup for a short as well. But yeah, if you took this, nice. This was a bread and butter setup, in my opinion, because right here I expected price to make a breakaway gap. Now, as I said, I'm not taking these trades because I'm not expert in ICT advanced gap theory, which I only use fair value gaps. There's a lot of gaps that are measuring gaps or breakaway gaps, but I'm getting used to it, and I'm actually looking to learn the concept of breakaway gap and measuring gap, which is really nice because if you know which fair value gap is going to get filled and which one is not going to get filled, is like, and you know where's the dual liquidity, this is basically all you need. So I'm looking to learn the breakaway gap as well, and it's going pretty nice. Like, I expected price to not fill this gap, so I entered right away when this gap was still open. I placed my stop right here, which I could place my stop below here, as this is a breakaway gap, but I'm not that advanced, so I've just put it here, and then target this buy side liquidity. Now, if we displace the buy side liquidity, could go to right here, but I wouldn't expect that right now. This trade would play out pretty well. So now we have to wait for more buy side being taken, and if you guys want a video on breakaway gaps, just let me know. I can post a video where ICT explains it fully, like full 12-minute video, segment video where ICT explains it to gap theory. We expected shorts now on SPX 500. Not really. I wouldn't expect shorts. I would expect longs, to be honest, to this liquidity. We took the draw. This is the draw liquidity. As I said, it was easy bread and butter setup. We had a silver bullet right here in this fair value gap or this fair value gap, but it's not in time window, which I wouldn't take. So I just annotated the trade right here from this displacement candle direct, which I expected price to form a breakaway gap, and this would be a nice trade. This would really be a nice trade. So if we displace above it, if we show speed, you could target this liquidity as well, but right now as I said, if I'm looking for shorts, I would want to wait for 9:30 Judah swing first to occur first, and then look for shorts. As Leticia said, there's a lot of hard time frame PD arrays in the premium above the highs that we took right now, so could be short, as you said, as me. So yeah, what I'm seeing here, we actually took liquidity. So if you go to 1 minute, there's still nothing. So what are we doing on dollar? On EU, could you have a look on ICT tweet about Nasdaq? Yeah, actually I haven't looked at ICT tweets, so I can check that out. There is ICT stock. Okay, Nasdaq levels I'm monitoring today. So Nasdaq, let's see. So he has this buy sell liquidity marked, and he has this fair value gap, this fair value gap, this SIBI, this SIBI, and then he got the 50% of the premium consequent wick. Yeah, he's basically looking for expansion from this fair value gap and how we react to it, because we could retrace and then took the buy sell liquidity, which is the same buy sell liquidity we had marked here, and we anticipated a breakaway gap. We could anticipate breakaway gap. Yeah, I think Meta is gonna come in right now. We're gonna hop on quick call, just like basically almost every single day. So hello, can you hear me?
Up, man.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put you on stream so they can hear you as well. Okay, hello.
Yeah, what's up? What's up?
I'm okay. I'm just looking what price is doing, and On
Yeah.
S&P, we're kind of rejecting from this liquidity. While Nasdaq
Let me
could go higher, to be
check.
honest.
No, I'm bullish. I don't know. I mean, dollar just really like nicely. Like we just had nice respect for dollar on
Mhm.
the daily inversion gap. We Friday we pretty much. I mean, we closed below it because we tapped into it. We rejected it from deeply, and then Sunday opened. We rallied into it, and then we retraced ever since. Yeah, ever since midnight, New York for dollar. We just kept retracing from it. Yeah, I'm positive that I mean, long term, we could still be bullish, but I mean, no, not long term, but like short term wise, we could still be a little bit more bullish, but long term wise, I'm still bearish. So I really want to see dollar go into these inefficiencies on the 1 hour from Thursday, the big candles we have. And
Mhm.
yeah, I'm probably just expecting for Nasdaq, expecting to break that volume imbalance and retest from it. That's my plan, to be fair. What I want to see.
So you're gonna
What about
wait.
you?
What about 9:30? Do you think we can?
Oh, knife I think is gonna we're gonna probably push up higher. I mean, I don't know.
You think it's adjusting to the downside or just push higher?
I think we might just push higher. I mean, personally, I don't know. It's Monday. I'm not really sure to be fair because we
Yeah,
did.
that's true. We need some price action
Yeah,
first.
I
So,
mean, but I'm not sure. I mean, okay. let's just see how this how I don't know the 9:30 when 9:30 candle closes. When it opens up, let's see where the price ends because price could really just like right now pick up volatility, go up higher for Nasdaq and
mhm.
S&P, close above the volume imbalance, and then what we could have here, we can have 9:30 open, going lower, and then rejecting up into that volume imbalance and potentially going long.
Yeah,
That's what I like.
we're
That's
probably on
yeah.
Nasdaq going for the buy sell liquidity ICT marked out because on SPX we already took it, while on Nasdaq we didn't quite take it yet.
hmm
So Nasdaq could retrace to the upside or just create a SMT for
Yeah,
a
there's
retracement.
still a weekly gap for Nasdaq as well above the buy side liquidity. It's in the premium, very.
Mhm.
So that could be another target, for this week. Well, I mean, I don't really like S&P. I don't know. It's just because like I don't know, Nasdaq. I've got something to work with
Mhm.
more of like there's like a nice gap that we have,
Mhm.
and then there's just not that like there isn't the same gap on the weekly for S&P, which is I don't really like. But it's still, I mean, if Nasdaq moves, S&P moves as well, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, that's my plan overall.
So you prefer
Just
Nasdaq
seeing,
this week, right?
yeah, probably because it's just kind of showing me better price action in general, and it's just been really respecting my like the things I've drawn out from the chart last week, even
Mhm.
same with S&P, I guess, yeah, like, but it was really respecting what I was drawing up.
Yeah, for me it's the same. Well, Nasdaq is quite like choppy for me around the volume imbalance right now, so I wouldn't really. I'm not gonna really take a look at it for trading because it's just moving around the new week opening gap, which could be just a consolidation. Because ICT mentioned that if we're moving around NVOG and WOG, then we're likely in a consolidation. But S&P hit a nice expansion from it right now, but we have to see how we react to this liquidity. While Nasdaq has also had a nice expansion, to be honest.
Yeah, it's a pretty decent one.
So I'm a, I could we could see this buy side being taken around Sunday, 7 8 6:30 p.m. being taken.
Let's see.
So could be a drawn liquidity for silver bullet if we don't take it until then, but does it offer 40 points? Let's see. Well, not quite yet right now, but maybe a little lower, a lower fair value gap would. So on Nasdaq, yeah, I'm bullish, but on SPX we took liquidity, so I'll probably wait for 9:30 because at 9:30 there could be a short, an intraday short against the bias. So I'll see.
Yeah.
I just want to see what the manipulation does at 9:30 because there's no real news that could manipulate the market. So you could see a Judas at 9:30, but I believe there's this Judas that started from 8:30 and now took the buy side, or it's going for buy side above it on SPX. I'm talking about SPX. The Judas
Mm-hmm.
could start it at 8:30 and now we took buy side and now could go lower, retracing into the retracing into the new week opening gap, act as support or lower into this imbalance I have drawn out, and then or in the 50% of this range from low to high, and then come below 50%, which is aligning with the 50% of the new week opening gap, and then go up because the bias is bullish for me as well on SPX.
Yeah. We'll just see how 9:30 opens because it can really do anything, to be fair.
Yeah, well,
We could see like a push up, push up, down. I don't know. It depends.
yeah, last week we had a lot of manipulation, especially at 9:30 openings.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we saw a lot of
So
fake rounds to the upside and then dumps. I think Friday was really bad though last week.
Friday, well, I don't
Mm.
think I took a trade on Friday, to be honest. I don't think
It was like we had expansion to the
I don't
upside, but then
remember.
we did have retraced a little bit, but not a lot.
Yeah. So SPX is rejecting the liquidity marks, and Nasdaq is also. I mean, Nasdaq is just didn't go anywhere. It's just retracing, to be honest, in my opinion, a little bit. But I think S&P
Yeah,
could
me
go
too.
higher. So I really want to see what the 9:30 does. Could be a volatility right there, but since there's no news, it can be a little bit shallow. So we'll see.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get like a Judas down to the downside.
Yeah, we can, and then displacement,
I think maybe
but I really want to see the displacement.
because I mean, realistically, I mean, I don't really think dollar will go up. I mean, I just don't really see it going up because okay. If we look at it from a fib, yeah, we hit premium, like a premium discount array, which is a gap. I don't really think it's necessary for us to go up even higher towards that higher gap. But yeah, we'll just see how this plays out for the time being.
Had to do some.
No problem. Yo.
Okay. Wait. Let me just see if you sound good on stream. I haven't checked.
Uh, mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure. But I mean, I like S&P. Yeah, we did sweep a liquidity. We're retracing down a little bit. I still think we can go up higher because
Yeah, on Nasdaq, because Nasdaq looks like it just retracing, right? Because it didn't really sweep any liquidity, any obvious
yeah,
liquidity. So for me, I just think it only retracing. There's not there's not any shift right now as well, so
Yeah. Dollar is very unclear. We're probably gonna get like a Judas down to the downside.
yeah, we can. And
But we
then
did film
displacement.
Friday's
Mhm.
gap. Good Friday's gap.
So new week opening gap is, that's right here. Maybe. We'll see. I really want to see what 930 does, as we said and
Yeah.
mentioned multiple times.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna think of this. This is definitely gonna be a Judas swing. I just don't know about dollar, man. Dollar looks bearish, but it looks deep bullish as well. Something like, I'm not sure. But I think, okay, I mean, realistically, dollar, because if we're in a downtrend, dollar should go back down.
Yeah.
Like it's inevitable.
But still, like, yeah, we can go down, but it's really trending to the upside past few days, so I want to see like
Yeah,
more,
but it's just,
one more low being broken, like more displacement to the downside for more confirmation, you know.
yeah. I mean, even if we're not gonna completely reverse to the downside, like if you look at dollar, the 15-minute, the Thursday's rally, we've had so much like price action that is just it left so much unfilled price action, like so many imbalances. We could just realistically just go back down into here, start filling this back up, and potentially even like let's say reverse back up to another PD array, or like that. I mean that would be the goal, the ultimate goal.
Yeah, could happen, but
I don't know. Just need to
I'm looking at yeah, SPX not creating any load right now, so there can still be a retracement, because on Nasdaq it looks like a clear retracement. We have this fair value gap with the OR block, which I think it's pretty high probability to go up, targeting this buy side liquidity with low resistance liquidity run, and then we'll see. We just have to wait, to be honest.
Yeah, that's what I'm literally doing.
If this can closes to the upside, we might go short formal low on SPX, because on Nasdaq we're tapping into, there's order block. If you guys have any questions, just let me know before 9:30. For shorts, I don't really know. We just tapped into the order block for Nasdaq 5-minute.
Oh yeah.
With a fair value gap, so we have to see how we react to it, to both of them, and then on SPX still no low being broken. I'm expecting this candle to form a low, kinda, because it could go up. I still just tweeted on Nas. Let's see, Twitter. Thank you, because I don't have my Twitter open, so I see 5-minute. balance price range.
I'm seeing it as well.
Yeah, I see. He's basically
Q on the 1 minute.
interesting. Yeah, we have to see how we react from now, because based on ICT we just filled the we filled the balanced price range. So I mean, we returned to a balanced price range. So if we violate this fair value gap, fair value gap and the order block plus the order block he has marked out, then we could see move lower, because there's also this short-term low right here, and on S&P there's this, but I'm expecting this candle to form as well. We'll see.
Yeah, ICT's been focusing more on Nasdaq recently, to be fair.
Yeah, I agree. He also said that he's focusing more on Nasdaq, but he's like only focusing on Nasdaq right now.
Yeah, I think it's just I think better price action. I mean, S&P does offer amazing sales, but I think it's just inconsistent for me personally. I know Nasdaq is just better volatility for me, and I don't know. Yeah, it's just nice.
Yeah, it's
Nice price action.
Nasdaq's been really moving. Nasdaq's been moving really nice past few days last week, which
Yeah.
which got my attention as well. But I'm still gonna stick to SPX and using Nasdaq as confirmation and for divergences only.
Yeah, fair enough.
That's only my thought and my plan for it. So we completely disrespected the fair value gap. There's also an order block, but since we tapped into the balance price range ICT mentioned, we could see a reaction.
We have to have like a pick. Oh, that's nice.
And we also filled. Dude, got me. Oh wait, is there a difference between Nasdaq futures called mini and Nasdaq and our normal index for an hour on our normal forex? There's difference, yeah. Futures are basically like futures are futures, right? They can be regulated by broker, while CFD's price is regulated and manipulated by the broker. So basically this NDQ or NAS 100 is basically 8-cap version of Nasdaq futures, which is just copying the price from the futures, because everyone trading futures on different brokers such as AMP, whatever, Thinkorswim, whatever they got for futures, NinjaTrader, all of them see the same price. But when you see on CFDs, every price is different because every broker has different CFD, right? Because they're manipulating the price. So yeah, prices are different, but generally they move similar. I think there's like 40-point difference on SPX in general. Or how much is it?
Yeah, it's about 40. It's a bit more.
It's 8.
Like 60.
Wait, there's
Actually, no,
4615, and then
yeah, they move the same.
Wait,
there's just a point difference.
Wait, how much? No, this can be. It's like 20 only.
No, I'm Nasdaq. I'm doing Nasdaq.
Oh yeah, Nasdaq's different.
Yeah, Nasdaq is 100 points pretty
Yeah.
much, and then
SPX is like 20.
It's like 20 points. Yeah.
But generally they move the same. The point difference is just a little bit different from each other, but yeah.
And yeah, then you can trade futures maybe in like Europe, but not a lot of brokers do that. Not a lot of pro firms do that. Usually it's just America.
To be honest, I heard that you can I heard that you can trade futures like all around the world, even in like even in like I don't know, but all around the world, I'm thinking like even in Africa you can trade the futures market
Yeah, maybe, but
because
I don't know
I
what
mean
broker to use.
futures. Yeah, I mean broker. You have I heard ICT talking about AMP futures, which is
Mm,
like I believe they offer all around the world, even in Europe. But CFDs are not allowed in America, right? Because they're
yeah,
like unregulated. I believe they're only regulated by their own brokers. So, but futures is like directly linked to the index, I believe. So, there you only can trade futures on all around the world, but that's why they trade futures in America, right? And I believe there's few prop firms that like Top Step. Wait, is this the only one? No, there has to be.
Step, Apex,
Apex, yeah, Apex funding.
and maybe a few others, and I don't know of.
I only know Top Step and Apex now.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Not
Samey,
sure.
hello. What's your bias for today? I already went over it. It's bullish for SPX. What I trade basically. Yes, you can trade futures from anywhere. Yeah, you can. As I said, you can trade futures from all over the world. I just watched a video comparing the futures and CFDs, but it's a little annoying. You have to pay monthly fee for futures prop firms. I don't really like paying monthly for a funded account because ICT was talking about this in his Twitter space. If you listen to it, did you listen to?
No, I was busy. I was doing something.
Okay, well let me tell. Basically, ICT said that you're when with those futures prop firms like Apex, Topstep, you're paying a monthly fee, right? And
Mm,
he basically said that this isn't ideal because you're basically paying 8% interest what you have because you may know that you only got 10% drawdown or
yeah,
and the how much you have drawdown, this is basically your account size that you can lose, right? So you're basically paying interest every single month. It depend on if you make profit or not. You're paying them a monthly fee, which now top Apex and Top Step got like huge discount, but still ICT said that you're basically paying them interest, and it's a really good business for them. But you have to make this plus your profit. So ICT doesn't really like prop firms that much himself. That's why I also, and me personally, I also don't like the monthly fee for the prop firm account. I just don't. I only like to pay one time and then you make what you make.
yeah,
They
that's
give
true.
they give you monthly or lifetime one time free options. As I said earlier, you can pay one time fee. Oh, you can on Apex. Wait, that's
It's probably like expense. It's way more expensive.
Apex funding. Yeah, I mean could be, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
I'm not sure on that.
Wait,
But
can you Top Step? I believe doesn't have that feature, Leticia, right? Only Apex has. Only Apex has that feature because I don't think Top Step is offering this. I'm just gonna check it real quick. I'm sorry, guys. Uh, yeah, I see. There's 14 hours, 80% Apex off. So let's see 25. Wait, what's the difference between full and contract for micros? Profit goal is the same. Oh, TradingView compatible. You can trade on TradingView with the prop firm because you have TradeOway. Okay, let's see. There's $176 a month. Read me first. So I don't see Leticia. I only see membership type, 25 for contracts TradeOway, 176 for each month. And then I don't think you can change it. What's your draw on? What's your draw on your account? Just under 2%, 1.8 or 1.9%. Here's the link for fee options. I don't really see, to be honest.
That's the market structure shift on 5 minute. Ooh.
On Nasdaq.
Yeah, but I don't really like
Oh, I
going
see.
short. It's a decent shorts, but no, it's too close to 9:30 open for me. I'm just probably gonna wait.
Here's for fee options. Wait, Leticia, where I can't see it. I only see 167 for each month. I can't see it. These options are once you pass the challenge and get funded. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, yeah, no, it's more understandable now. So
I mean, yeah, it makes sense because then
wait,
you
Leticia.
can't if you keep like failing the account, you're gonna keep paying, monthly. That's where they make their money, I guess.
Yeah.
And then they can probably like after you actually pass the phase 1, 2, whatever, and you can probably get the account, and then you can just trade for that.
I don't really think this. I wouldn't really take any trades right now because there's 9:30 coming. We have fair value gap. Just gonna. I mean, Nasdaq, to be honest, looks really good. We had A30 opening, took some. I think it rebalanced kinda, and then rebalanced the inefficiency, went a little bit above it, and then displacement. I'll just skip this and wait for 9:30, and then trade. Apex is only one step though. Yeah, their stop step is also one step. But that's why I have you only have, I believe, how much is it? I can't calculate it quick, but I believe it's 6% drawdown, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, but you'd be trading with like micros, obviously, probably.
Yeah, you'll be trading with micros. ICT also ICT also mentioned that for every 2,000 of capital, you can trade one micro, and then once you have, I mean, of liquid capital, right? If you can't trade 25k with few micros because you only have 2%, 2,000 drawdown or something, so you can only trade one micro, and then once you make 2,000, you can trade two micros. ICT also mentioned that in the
I was
Twitter.
Like I get confused with the micros and minis and all of that stuff.
Okay.
But I don't really trade this. I don't really care about it. Maybe in the future I'll do that, but not now.
I mean, yeah. If you're gonna start trading futures, of course you're gonna look into that. But since neither me neither you don't trade futures, I don't really know about futures too much either. But so I'm not really an expert. But what I heard from ICT, like I know a little bit. Wait, can you trade like half a micro or something? Can you do this?
Probably not.
I don't really know because I'm not trading futures.
That's the thing. How would you calculate risk?
I mean, you wouldn't probably. You would just, I don't know. To be honest, I don't trade futures, so I can't really answer you.
If ICT risks 3.5% per trade, or like whatever he risks, how does he? I mean, unless micros. Okay, wait, let me Google.
Maybe.
How many?
Wait, maybe there's what does he call it? A leverage broker or something? I don't really know. There's something
one move in micro E-mini S&P equates to $1.25.
Yeah, there's $5 per point. No, you can't. No, you can't trade half a micro. You only can trade full contract. Either micro or mini. So I'm still like new to this. I don't trade futures, so I'm really curious. I just gotta do something really quickly. I'm gonna be
Yeah.
be here, but I have to do something right now. So
Yeah, no
just
problem.
gonna not talk for a few
Mm-hmm.
minutes.
Wait. Yeah, I need to look into this more in the future, maybe. It's confusing as hell. Wait, Letitia. So do you trade futures, future contracts,
I
or do you
think
trade CFDs? Because I'm just
I think
curious
she
now.
does because she always refers to
Yeah, maybe.
ES.
Yeah, yeah, could be, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, CFDs. The thing I like about CFDs is like obviously you calculate risk so easily. Like it's simple. Like but obviously if you want to get the perfect price action, yeah, you might want to like get futures and stuff. But yeah, you do trade it. Fair enough. I mean, I trade ES. Yeah, I would definitely look into it. Wait, what country are you from, by any chance? Because some prop firms don't let some countries in. Some or like they don't can't you can't create an account. It's stupid.
Yeah, and I have 30 in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I can't believe I won the giveaway again.
Hmm?
I
What?
got real lucky. The giveaway.
Yeah, but unfortunately,
Yeah, it's
because of
fine.
the so
I wouldn't even know what to do with free accounts, honestly.
I mean, you could probably get a copy trader or something, but that's cost
Yeah,
additional money, which I don't really
true.
like using because I heard there's a lot of bugs using this.
Yeah, there is. There's one person copies their trades with MT4 or MT5, I can't remember, and he says like sometimes trades get delayed, but like spread
Yeah,
gets weird, like mixed up. Nah, I prefer to trade on one singular account.
yeah. I mean, after 30 days you can win again, but I just did
No,
this
that's
poli-
fine. Like,
I just did
I
this
mean, I just
policy,
entered.
so
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
more
so it's
people
fair. Yeah, yeah,
can
that's
win.
true. That's true. That's true.
But I'll trade copier for sure. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
there's also a free trade copier where you can link two accounts. I heard, but both
I
either
think.
Trader
Wait,
Social Tools and
what is the
then the
trade
other
app?
one, like both copiers are like super laggy. As you said, trades get delayed. Maybe you open a trade with for the open. They can open a trade with no reason basically, and it can be bad. But
Yeah,
in future, they could be really good if they improve what you're doing.
yeah, because there's a wait, I use Replicanto.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, fair enough. She uses an application that copies trades. Yeah, true. I mean, fair enough. Copying trades is good on one account to the other, but like, like I know a lot of people, even they use like good applications, pay, but it's like one account still in like it doesn't get like the full TP because it's delayed and stuff. It's
Yeah.
there's still gonna be problems eventually because trade copies are not reliable.
Yeah, I agree. Well, for now at least, but
Oh no, yeah, I guess, but
I
social trader, yeah, the social trader is the one we were looking at. I think social trader tools, yeah. But isn't this for? Oh no, it's MT4 as well. I mean, honestly, I would prefer to just get one singular account, like a bigger account instead of like having two smaller ones. And
mhm.
just trade on that. I would have less things to worry about. Alright. Okay, Nasdaq is pushing down, S&P's pushing down. Do you have any imbalances?
There's 2 minutes till the market opens.
Yeah, volatility is picking up. Yeah, we'll just see. What's the dollar doing? Nothing pretty much.
So one copy image. Let's see. So that one, then this one. There's this, different or the same. So, yeah. Okay. So this then copy image. Just few seconds. I have to do thing.
I might not trade on Wednesday completely.
Why?
Maybe.
Are there news?
No, it's just I'm probably gonna be busy today. I don't know. Wednesday seems like a good day. I mean, non-farm employment change. I don't really want to trade that day.
I might
I'll miss
trade it.
something.
I'll see what the market does.
I'll just probably stay off the markets for a bit. My fight opens. Let's see what's happening.
Wait. I
US
heard.
just pushed in.
Yeah, there's some comments. So Leticia, I have 2 accounts and I use Replicanto. Here, you read this one. Nice. Her social traders tool is good. Yeah, it is good, but it is laggy as well, and it's paid. I believe it's $20 per month fee. Taking the short from 5-minute effigy on ES. Could be a nice short. You mean this effigy, right, Leticia? There's at 9 a.m. Could be a nice short, but I'll still wait for Judah swing to form. Kenyon, can you ask like MFF to, or so the fund trader or my forex funds to combine all your accounts into one? Yeah, I think you can do that. I heard on some prop firms you can actually combine your accounts, but the thing is, you have to separate it.
Okay, with different prop firms.
Yeah, so
How would that work?
I don't really know if you can combine two with the fund trader and my forex funds, but the thing is, some prop firms do allow it, some prop firms don't. I heard some my fund FX or something that you can combine when I was in their Discord, but I'm not really sure right now. Friday is non-farm payroll. What? Are you sure? I haven't saw that. I haven't seen the non-farm payroll on Friday.
Yeah.
What?
No. Yes, non-farm employment change. Is that non-farm payroll?
No, I don't think it is.
Isn't it?
Wait, NFP. Non-farm employ. Yeah, it is. Non-farm pay.
Next week is decent actually. We have CPI though.
Wait, CPI next week? Yeah, non-farm employment change, non-farm payroll. I think there's the same. I think there's the same. I don't know. I heard NFP is non-farm payroll, but I guess Friday is just not. I'm not gonna trade on Friday.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
For sure, I'm not trading Fridays with non-farm payroll.
Maybe PM session if I want to.
First Friday of the month. Yeah, it is. Yeah, he confirmed it. And then next week you said CPI. PPI, CPI.
I'm pretty sure it's CPI.
Right? Yeah, CPI on Thursday and then PPI on Friday. Oh, next week I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna trade Friday and Thursday as well. Oh my God, there's a lot of news.
I might trade.
I'm not.
I'll see. To be fair, honestly, I'll just see because sometimes
So
But when I
basically,
don't trade,
they're
I find good setups.
yeah, but CPI.
I'll trade CPA after, obviously. Like,
Yeah, I mean
not
PM
really.
session maybe.
Yeah, like,
Because ICT said that you can trade before after CPI, but not before CPI.
yeah, before CPA is gambling.
Yeah,
Because most positions will just be swept. Even if the price is, even if the news is bullish, if you're going long, your stop loss will probably get hit, most likely, unless it's like a 50-point stop loss. But yeah, I don't know what's happening with these mods. I mean, just kind of rejected, I guess.
ICT says you can trade 30 minutes after open. Yeah, you can, but he says that you can't trade before. That's what we were saying. That yeah, of course you can trade after, but before is not good to trade because you can get stopped out. Yeah, so
We had a massive swing
this
up.
week, unemployment claims. I think Friday is the only day. There's no good time to trade because non-farm payroll NFP is really just not tradable. To be honest, it's just super volatile, manipulation all over the place. So I'm just gonna check this again.
I think this is nice Judas to the downside.
Yeah,
I like it. Because in the 1 hour it looks we're still bullish.
so CPI, PPI, future, speech, FOMC.
Wait, bear back, I'm gonna get water.
Yeah. Take your time. I'm waiting for silver bullet. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I agree with you. After the open, it's good to trade, and maybe I'll look for silver bullet as well. But I don't really trade silver bullet that much those days. I just like to see a break of structure and thingy, because I really like this buy sell liquidity to be taken. So I'm gonna remove this. Have 930. Just big wick, so we have to see what market does now. It's gonna be really exciting to see what happens. So, funded challenge journal. So,
Alright. What do we have? Yeah, I think it's a Judas to the downside. I mean, by the looks of it.
yeah, maybe.
Yeah, they're kind of retracing.
We didn't sweep anything to the upside, so could be Judas
Yeah.
to the downside. And then
swept a
NFP.
bit of liquidity, a bit short-term liquidity.
Okay. Yeah, we did sweep some liquidity below those equal lows on S&P. On Nasdaq we had quite a big wick.
Yeah, to the upside.
So
But if we just filled all of that imbalance,
yeah,
those imbalances,
we filled all of them, correct? And now
and
going down. Yeah.
now we're trading within another imbalance.
Yeah, we could. I mean, we tapped the NVOG and WOG, right? We tapped the new week opening gap.
Cool.
So if we want to go long, we must break the high first that was
Yeah, I
made.
like bullishness right now.
But I would really like to see displacement above the 930 candle high. And
yeah, true.
S&P is just consolidating. Yeah, maybe a few more candles on the 5-minute or 3-minute to see how market like plays out after the opening. So maybe first 30 minutes after the opening will be a little bit of consolidation, more manipulation because of the opening range, but I'm expecting to see some more volume right now in upcoming candles.
Yeah, I just want to see on Nasdaq the new week opening gap hold, and then we can go long.
Yeah.
Because the new week opening gaps on Mondays are so powerful because the gap is usually very, very close and it has so many bounces from it.
What? Can you say again? I didn't hear well.
No, I said like new week opening gaps on Mondays are very, very powerful because the gaps are close because it's obviously the first week,
Yeah.
first day of the week, and it's usually really, really nice. And that's actually pushing up higher. We could maybe look for some
It actually is. If we close
long.
if we close bullish like this, and then break, and then form a fair value gap after 10 minutes on 5-minute time frame chart, this could be a long, to be honest. Because it could be a Judah swing plus expansion from the new week opening gap after we tapped into it. So
Yeah.
this is really nice indication, to be honest.
The RR would be so ugly for me though.
Yeah, it would be ugly, so I would probably just target fixed RR instead of liquidity. I don't know, because I want to work with something, and then yeah. So
Yeah. I mean, we're in this inversion gap currently in the 1 minute. See how we react. Ooh, we reacted from it with a tick. Could have been a nice entry. But yet again, I'm not ICT. I'm not gonna take these entries.
which one?
There was a 1 minute inversion gap. Is from 9:30 from 9:32, 9:33 to 9:34. The gap on the 1 minute Nasdaq.
Oh, I
We
see.
went above it. We filled it by like a tick, pretty much.
Mhm.
Actually, probably wouldn't. I wouldn't even get tagged in because of the spread, but realistically, that would have been a nice trade. Something ICT would probably take if it was a good setup. Because I've seen him take trades like that, inversion gaps, into an entry, and rise it up. But with that entry, you need to know, like, you need to be positive that the bias is correct.
Mhm.
Because
Well, SPX looks kind of bullish. If we see a break of structure right here,
yeah, we're gonna have it about now.
this market tricky shift is
Never mind.
on SPX. You were thinking.
SPX is just 3 highs, equal highs. Okay, now we broke it, nice.
Yeah, now we're going to break it.
Yeah, I mean SPX looks much better with R.
Yeah,
R
it
wise.
does.
If you enter from the, like, okay, if you enter from the low of this impulse to the high, yeah, my entry would be like literally like my entry would be equilibrium, which would be perfect.
Yeah, I mean, if it close above it, this would be better. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm not really looking for a close because of the market trajectory shift. I'm looking for the close because the imbalance would be bigger, right? And then could mean that the imbalance will most likely stay open, which is good because then if we keep it open in the next 5 minutes, that means I'm gonna take the entry long, probably put the stop below the order block. Right here below the order block at 9:30, and then target
calculating my risk now.
fixed
I'm gonna
1 to
have a
2
four.
above this buy sell liquidity.
Yeah, I think I might place a limit order. SPX, it looks really nice.
Wait, where would you go long right now?
I'll go from the equilibrium, pretty much like the gap you see, like equilibrium, and it's within the order block as well.
Oh, that one at 9:38.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. Yeah,
We'll see.
we'll see. Liu, what's up? Welcome to the
Place
stream.
my entry.
I'm
See if we
shorting
get
on
that
ES from that 5-minute fair value gap, just a 2.5 point risk. Nice. Well, Leticia, what contract are you using for trading? And are you trading a funded challenge? Because I'm really like curious about futures now. Because of the precision, much more precise. They're much more precise than CFDs. But like, are you like calculating your risk, or are you just trading with a fixed contract size? Because I'm curious what it is, just because if it's surely different.
It has to be.
Yeah, because like when you're trading futures, are you trading with like fixed amounts? So I mean the distance from the entry and stop loss is actually your risk, or is your risk calculated? Many, I have 2 finite accounts. Nice, good job.
I think how they do it is, you see how each tick the price moves by like whatever dollar, depending on the if it's a micro or a mini.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's like every tick. So they calculate it by how many ticks it can
I have 100
buy
and
with a stop.
yeah. I mean, yeah. The every tick, every point is like, in mini, it's $50, right? So if you risk 2.5 points with one mini, it's
You'll be like
$125. If you're trading free contracts, your risk is $375.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, exactly.
yeah,
How that
it's
would work
something
out.
like that. And I have 105k account. Well, based on what ICT said, you should trade with. Wait, how much is your? How much is the stop loss? Yeah, 1 point is $50. Yeah, correct. Wait, oh my God, SPX.
Wait,
SPX just had a huge displacement.
yeah, I saw that.
Wait, what is the drawdown on your account, on a 50k account? Tops. Let's see, Apex or Top Step. Let's see.
Wait, so what about Nasdaq?
No, Nasdaq is the same. No, Nasdaq is. I believe it's. Nasdaq is a little bit lower. It's.
Because there's no way $1.50.
It's $20 per point.
Oh, okay.
On Nasdaq, it's $20 per point, I believe. So, and $2 per micro. So if you're trading free contracts and 1 point stop, yeah, it's around $60 if you're trading free minutes Nasdaq.
This is opening, man.
5,000 drawdown. So technically, you should trade with 2 micros, by what ICT said, because that's what his son should do. He said he should trade with 1 micro on his 50k account until he makes $2,000 profit. I mean, I'm still new to this, so I don't really understand much.
Me too, bro.
It's not that easy, but I believe it's easy if you really. If you're trading this, of course you know what you're doing, because you have to look, you have to research and stuff to actually even trade this. But I really like SPX.
Nasdaq
So-
is displacing. We just tapped into that volume imbalance again. See if we can go above it.
I mean, for me, I'm using fixed risk as well. I'm using just 5 point stop loss usually, because I'm plus 25 on each account. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not telling you anything. I'm just telling you what ICT said, because I'm really confused right now. It's new. It's a little bit new to me because of futures and stuff like that. So I may take a look at it as well.
I might enter from order block from the 1 minute Nasdaq.
1 minute Nasdaq. I mean, Nasdaq has also an imbalance which you can enter from. But-
what? 5 minute?
5 minute, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I see.
Which are you entering from like around 15,800 level? Around this, a little bit lower, right? Because of the order block.
Yeah, I mean, I was thinking, yeah, about like 15,790.
Yeah, I'm looking to entry from this Free Valley Gap. If we do get an entry, and this stays open, this would be my entry for
I'll
today.
just probably calculate my risk.
I think it all comes to your setup, and win rate for your strategy. Yeah, I agree. I also, Leticia, the thing is, I also use 5-handle stop loss on basically almost all of my trades, because the stop loss, as I said, if you put your stop loss below the low, your RR would be so bad. Like your take profit would have to be huge with low R. So I just use 5-handle stop loss and target 1 to 2, and then maybe let the runners run to buy sell liquidity, just to secure that profit of 1 to 2. But I usually have What is this? It's joking.
Yeah,
So
place my order.
I'm gonna enter with market, and then stop loss would
Or
have to
what?
be
Nasdaq
5.5
or S&P?
SPX. There's
What
1
time
minute,
frame?
so I'll see. Oh,
1
5
minute?
minute, 5 minute.
Oh, 5 minute entry.
From the Fair
Yeah.
Value Gap right here. I just don't want it
Yeah,
fill.
I'm in the trade. Entry at 15,790.
Salo
20 point
enter.
stop loss.
Salo enter now. No, I'm not in trade yet. Made as is.
Yep. I don't know. Nasdaq seems bullish to me. We have a breaker
SPX.
structure. Like,
SPX seems bullish to me as well. So
we'll see how this plays out. I mean, obviously anything can happen.
just stay open. The Fair Value Gap has to stay open just 1 more minute. I really like this entry. That's why I want it to stay open. Because if it fills it right now, it just no trade for me. Because I really have. I mean, it filled it on 3 minutes. Filled it 4 minute. 1 minute is really choppy. So that's why I prefer 5 minute, because Nasdaq 5 minutes it's much cleaner than SPX 1 minute, because SPX is just not ideal for 1 minute for me right now, because there's not much movement. There's a lot of wicks, so I just prefer trading on 5 minute or 3 minute. But on 3 minute we filled this imbalance already, so I'm looking to take it either from this one or from 5 minute. But 19 seconds, come on, please stay open. It's gonna just don't close it. So SPX 2.5, it's actually 5, and then buy by market when price comes to my entry right here. Okay, so the entry would be at and right here with market orders, so it would put me a little bit above it, but I'm gonna enter with market when price comes back. So yeah, this is what I do. I'm just gonna wait now, so I can't really watch chat because but yeah, this would be my entry. So target 1 to 2,
Yeah, it's a good
11
entry, I think.
points. Create limit, risk
Safe
200.
entry.
Wait, someone tagged me into Discord. Blue Guardian announcement. Yeah, PMI data. Okay. I mean, if it doesn't tag me in, it's okay. But alright, this would be my entry for now. Everyone watching. So
Let's see if my trades hold. I mean, I'm still bullish. But,
I mean,
anything can happen. I mean,
yeah,
realistically speaking.
I'm bullish as well. But
I mean, I'm a little bit. I mean, I'm in drawdown for like. I mean, I'm 0.5 risk once again, obviously. I'm looking at the 15 minute. Because I'm expecting this volume imbalance to not hold, because dollar on the 1 hour bullish. I mean bearish. So what I'm expecting is to see higher prices for the indices. That's why I want to use this volume imbalance as like a driver to go push past it, get my TP, etc. You know.
wait, how can I see the low of the candle on MetaTrader? The price, because it doesn't sweep.
I think you need to select. The cross. Yeah, you need to select. I think a different. No. You can just hover over the candle.
No, it's not. It's not like that on at MetaTrader.
Yeah, I'm on MetaTrader. You hover over the candle.
I'm on MT5.
I'm on empty. I'm not sure. But I think you just hover over the candle, no?
I don't know, to be honest.
Should be. That's how it works for me.
It's not working for me. So weird. I'm just gonna look.
Maybe try the crosshair.
Yeah, I'm trying this. I'm just gonna hover at the low of the candle, and it's 4594.4 plus 53 it's exactly, my limit order should be for spread, so
I'm probably gonna get stopped out.
my
Yeah,
limit
I'll get
order
stopped
should be
out.
at exactly
Hmm.
4
Okay,
5
that's unlucky.
4595 4595 for the limit order. So SPX, okay, I might enter with market anyways.
Yeah, I got stopped out.
I'm in.
0.5 risk.
I'm in right now. So my exact entry is, I got a bad entry because of the spread, but we'll see. So stop loss is points 550 and then is 11. Okay, so this is my trade, and this is my trading view trade, but this is my real trade. So I'm just gonna close this because it's not accurate. So I got in here, the spread, I basically got in right here, and then the spread got me in here, so we'll see. I got out a small profit, 2 bullish, out, nice. Wait, Leticia, did you trade? Did you get hit? Did your stop loss get hit? Because 2.5 handles is like right here, so you could got out with. You could still be in the trade, but I don't know. It's different on SPX, maybe on ES. There are huge tails in previous candles. Yeah.
Okay, what's happening here then? Let's see.
Nasdaq, yeah, we reacted from the.
Yeah, the volume imbalance. Maybe we're short then. I don't know. This is so weird.
Yeah, well, I entered right here, so my stop loss is right here. Damn, I should have stayed in, lol. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out as well.
That's so weird, man. What?
So, we'll see. I'm expecting this to get stopped out, which will be minus.
I'm away. I'll take one more entry probably, and then that's it.
Oh my god.
Get stopped out.
Yeah, immediately. The huge candle to the downside.
What is this, man?
I mean,
interesting, man. Interesting. So we reacted from the volume imbalance once more.
yeah.
But how? I don't understand. We're bullish on here. Like.
I might go short now with.
Yeah, I'll look for something maybe as well.
5 handles and then target maybe the low of the imbalance, this lows. So I want to trade. Save do I take? Nice. Good job.
I guess we were wrong.
Yeah, I was kind of expecting it to go higher based on the.
Yeah, like.
But
like, if you look
buy
at
say
dollar had like a nice. The dollar wicked up into the inversion gap, retraced back down with the 930 open, and it just looked bullish. But just markets decide to do the opposite, you know. Sometimes. I mean, it's fine. I mean, it's whatever.
Yeah, I might go short right now if we come back to this imbalance.
I'm just looking for some shorts, maybe.
Risk 0.5%. Good job, yeah.
I still think we're bullish overall. Like this could be just like this just could be just like a dump for no reason. But I'm bullish. I'm holding the same position as I was.
Twitter.
I'm just looking at.
If ICT said anything.
Yeah, we swept London lows for Nasdaq.
Wait, Nasdaq E mini swept the high and Q. Oh yeah, no. What? Oh, yeah, he's saying this.
Wait,
Interesting.
is ICT trading with AMP live again? Like AMP?
I'm not sure.
Because he posted a thingy
He
that
did, yeah.
he took a trade.
But I don't really know from where, though. He didn't show any executions.
He probably took it from the invalid. He probably took he doesn't do limit orders, so he probably took a market order. I assume the inversion gap for the top one, because there's
Don't go
another
for
gap in.
long late. Don't go for long in premium area, bro. At least wait for price to make a delivery to 50% of the way for taking another sell liquidity to go long. Well, the thing is, I was kind of expecting this buy sell liquidity to be taken after we moved down, took those equal lows, displaced fair value gap. So I was really expecting for this buy side to be taken. Plus my bias was long, so this trade was okay, and I'm happy that I took it because it's really nice. It just didn't play out in my favor. I just took my setup. Buy side liquidity was taken. I'm set from a 5-minute FVG. I don't stress if I get stopped out or in. Yeah, that's exactly what it should be. Between the time window 8 to 11, it mostly wins. Not 4, 5, 8. Oh, as a sell side liquidity.
Yeah, I think we're gonna push long higher. We just swept London
Yeah. Well,
or Nasdaq.
I'll be right back. I just have to get
No
something.
problem.
BRB.
So yeah, took an L, but it's fine. It is fine, bro. Late Akron. We as traders we expect, we anticipate, we don't predict. We anticipate what's gonna happen. Liquidity, like I'm not predicting the market. I'm anticipating it. Even ICT said that before. He's anticipating the price. Because if you're confident with your analysis, then you're likely to know where the price is gonna draw. Higher time, higher time frame PD array, etc. You know, like it's different how you might trade a bit differently. You might just take one setup a week by finding the perfect setup, but I'm always anticipating price where it could go if I'm wrong. Where could it go if I'm right, you know? That's the big difference. You guys should have went short. Yeah, but we had like we had nice setups to go long. And plus we're bullish, so you know, like it happens, you know. You win some, you lose some, like And considering dollar is pushing down and the indices are pushing down, that's just really telling me a different story. Because realistically, we should see higher prices if dollar is pushing down. But you know, it is what it is. I'm fine with losing. I'm learning. I'm not a professional trader, you know. Yes and no. It's a good trade, but like we were long. My bias is long, bullish. And we had the 930 open due to swing down, so like I said, it's just unfortunate. Simple as that. The setup looked good, but it just didn't go to the go well. Simple.
Okay. Okay, so well as well, let's read some comments.
Yeah,
Uh,
there's a lot.
it just took my setup. Buy side liquidity was taken. MSS from. Okay, we went over that already. Okay, expectation and feeling is not good in the market to be more mechanical. I agree. Don't predict the market, react instead based on analysis. Well, I don't completely agree with that, to be
Yeah,
honest,
that's what I said exactly.
because you have to predict the market in order to, because what trading
No, I don't
is,
like the word predict is different. The
because
word we use anticipation. We
what,
anticipate where
yeah,
price is
because
gonna
what
go.
basically, what predicting, what trading is, you go short because you predict that it's gonna go lower. You're trying to predict where market's gonna go, right? That's basically what trading is. I don't completely agree that you shouldn't predict, because if you don't predict the price, like, what are you doing? What are you doing in trading if you're not trying to predict?
Trading futures in the name futures, you have to predict where price is gonna go. Like even
Wait, is that
ICT said
actually
that before.
connected? Is that
Yeah,
connected?
that ICT said that before. It's like you're trading futures. You have to anticipate and predict where price is gonna go with your analysis. That's so our analysis was technically not wrong because overall we are bullish. We are long-term bullish. We've talked about it. We've been talking it for weeks now.
Yeah,
And
I'm still bullish.
dollar was showing rejection. We entered long. That
Let's.
is good. That's another confirmation we have. But it just went the other way. We can't do anything about it. Like, you know what I mean? Like it happens.
Yeah, I don't completely agree with not predicting the market, because, as I
Yeah.
said, if you're trading, you are trying to predict where market's gonna go, but you
Yeah,
should anticipate it.
yeah. Yeah, you
Uh,
shouldn't. You don't predict like tops and highs of the markets. Yeah, that's a whole different story. We're predicting where price is gonna go, where we think like, from our analysis where it will go, where it will reach. That's what
mhm,
we're predicting here.
yeah,
But I guess,
you
yeah,
guys should have went short. Yeah, I mean, that's easy to say when the markets already
yeah,
play
yeah,
it out.
exactly.
But I really like my setup, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, you could go short, but that is really good. But I'm still learning, to be honest. I'm not perfect, but I know I should go short, but I like the setup I took, so I'm not worried about it.
Yeah, I'm looking longs. I don't know. I'm
If
just seeing.
if the price takes also liquidity at
I think we're gonna go
458,
lower.
then I'm going for long. So since I've been nice trade. Yeah, I mean, we could go long after we take sell side. That's completely.
I don't know.
I
ICT
completely
tweeted out
agree.
midnight lows, and plus we're in a good position to go. Like I might take a short in a 5 minute. We have nice shorts.
Which, yeah, the midnight lows look really clean.
Yeah, we could target that.
Plus, we have a
Might
order block right here
Yeah, might
and
enter.
a breaker. High,
Yeah,
low,
there's a
high, high.
breaker. Yeah, there's a breaker and there is. I don't
I'll
know. It's just. I
still
think it's a nice price action.
I'll still wait a little bit before I do anything. But we'll see. I don't think I can trade tomorrow because I'm busy. At least not on
Mm,
stream. At least not on stream. I can probably trade on phone, but I won't be at my computer tomorrow at basically the whole day.
fair enough.
So
Yeah.
I might just take a trade on my phone if I see one. So I will just try to get the try to trade on phone if you can get it as accurate as you can do as you can be, but I will try if the setup forms. So now there's silver bullet right here. right now, so I'm still bullish, which could be a bullish silver bullet trade. Like, I don't know, I'm not really trying to trade it, but my overall bias is bullish. But as ICT mentioned, those lows look really nice. We took the buy side, reacted displacement, fair value gap, one here and one here, and now there's a sell side liquidity right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm
So
also looking as well.
mm,
But wait, so you're not gonna trade it tomorrow, or which day?
mm,
Which day you're gonna be busy?
tomorrow, yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm probably not gonna. I'm not gonna be at home basically the whole day, so.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna trade on tomorrow's. I'll see. It's either tomorrow or Wednesday. It's between the two because I need to go. I need to go shopping one day. I need to get some stuff.
Mhm.
But yeah, well, I'm gonna go, and I guess I'll talk to you maybe Wednesday if I trade that day
Yeah,
or tomorrow a little bit.
sure.
All right,
Take
well,
care.
see you later, man. Yeah,
See you later.
enjoy trading. Hope you win. All right, see you later.
Thank you. See you later. Okay, so right now I could be still looking for shorts. We have the equal lows. They were taken in this area, but yeah, we will see. Uh, I still think we can go lower. We have some space, but look how clearly we reacted from this new week opening gap right here. We immediately went above, so we could see some reaction to the from this fair value gap right here, which would be nice. But I don't think I'll take another trade. Uh, I'll take the loss, to be honest. I don't really care too much. Joy's higher in my opinion. Yeah, we are bullish, that's for sure, long term, but we took the sell side right here, and then displacement, which could mean we are going for sell side. Now we took some sell side already, but those equal lows right here, and this overnight lows, this is nice draw, to be honest. Really nice draw, in my opinion. Let's look at EU. So EU is slowly drawing to the liquidity I have marked. Slowly getting there. Let's go back. So Nasdaq. We took London lows too on NQ. Yeah, we did, but you know what? I would kind of call this equal lows. You see? If you take a ray, you have one low, two lows, you have three equal lows. On the 1 minute, it's much cleaner. Here, here, here. So I would say this is a draw. But for the silver bullet, maybe this fair value gap because it's inside and it offers to the upside. But for now, I don't really know if I'll take any more trades. Could just push down though. Yeah, I agree, it could just push down, to be honest. It could just push down. But we'll see. I'm just gonna watch the price, what it does. Also respecting the new week opening gap right now. On Nasdaq, it does. It does respect the 50%. That's true, the entries. I agree. Have a nice breaker, to be honest. High, low, higher, high. Swap liquidity. As I said, we still have the sell side to be taken. Even though we're bullish, we did swap liquidity at after 9:30. So there's this breaker, this candle, and this candle, or the opening price. I mean the body. So we're inside. We have this fair value gap. Let's see in the 1 minute. We have this fair value gap here and this fair value gap, which both. Let's see the I just I'll just be observing this time. So right now there's no setups. I would take short, maybe, just maybe, with 50% risk. I mean half of the original risk. So I don't know, we'll see. Guys, I may be trading PM session as well, because tomorrow I cannot really trade an AM session, and I will not be trading most likely. Maybe on phone, as I said, but I can't be streaming tomorrow. I'm busy the whole day, so even the PM session I cannot trade. So I'll be away. And then Friday there's no trading as well, because there's non-farm payroll, as just like Kenyon said at the start of the stream. Looking to short again at 5492. So at 50% of this breaker around here. I'm short, Sammy. Are you short? Nice. I might go short with 50% risk. And if I lose that, I'm not gonna trade a PM session. If I win, then I'm gonna trade a PM session. But we'll see. My original trade would be like from the body, and then stop loss 5 handles plus spread, and one target the overnight lows. It is placed, which is nice. So think about entering new trades with half the original risk, and then just let it run. If it's at my stop, I'm gonna lose, and if it had my trade profit, break even for the day, because yeah, 1 to 2, a little bit more is 0.5% risk. No, it's a little bit less. So we'll see. I'm short, see me? Oh yeah, I already read that. Where's your stop loss, by the way? If you're short. So I'm just gonna journal this trade. And then we'll see. One sec, let me journal it. Stop loss 4594 for me if I enter. Oh, that's close stop loss, to be honest. Stop loss is tight. 2 points. If you enter, yeah. So you have the fair value gap right here as well, which could be a short, but just have to wait. There's 11:30 right now. How much did we move? Around 5. No, wait. So from 10 a.m. to here, 10 handles, 10 points, whatever. It's nice. Have to see how we react from this fair value gap. On Nasdaq, we are really respecting the new week opening gap right now. So it is really nice to see. Wait, what is the equilibrium from that? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, it's boring because there's nothing. I mean, there's a short from this fair value gap, but I don't really like it. So yeah. Mm. Yeah, it is what it is. If we respect the fair value gap, maybe. But I'm probably gonna finish the stream at 11 with one loss. I don't think I'll enter any more trades. It's enough for me. I don't know if I have time for PM session. I come home pretty late. In New York time, that's around. I come home around 2 p.m. I don't know if I'll be able to make the stream till then, but yeah. I'll try to I'll try to make a stream, okay? I will try, and then I'll message in the Discord. So if I have time, then I'll message. Yeah. We are respecting this fair value gap pretty well. This as well. Not closing above the breaker. So yeah. If we expand downwards, could be a sign of expansion to right now. Could be just retracement to this. So I want to see this violated, because this could be a proportional block if we break it to continue higher. So that's why. Friday is not farm payroll, so I don't really suggest any of you guys to trade this, because the manipulation at those times is just huge. Like, it's basically seek and destroy. Going lower, nice. Could be a nice short, to be honest, but depends on how you react. I just want to see violated. I want to see the down close candles either violated or so close below it, or this huge gap like traded through to it and through it. That's what I would like to see. So it will be valid for me. But yeah. Either way, it's gonna be okay. I just want to see it close aggressively, right? So it closes aggressively, and by that it will indicate me it does in fact want to go lower. Because I want to see this can close, because if the next closes aggressively, then this could mean we can move to the downside. Okay, yeah, we're going lower. Let's see what we get. Could be interesting to see what happens next. Then get tap in $2 away. Wait, do you mean Nasdaq? Oh yeah, I see. Oh, this is Bitcoin. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I was watching it Bitcoin. Uh, where did you want to get in? 94. Where do you want to wait? South chain. Where do you want to enter? To be honest, where do you want to enter? I'm not really sure. But I want to see this gap open. Yeah, I'm in trading Nasdaq, samey. Yeah, Nasdaq has a nice setup. To be honest, short, I would put 20 handle stop loss, and I just wanted just 2.3 SPX. I don't know, an SPX I would probably go short from like the body, as I said, because this fair value gap is pretty huge. It's huge, yeah. It's really big. So yeah. Wait, you have a different chart then. Wait, are you trading ES? Because no, I can't be trading ES, it's different. It's different on ES. You're probably having a different chart, to be honest, because on my chart it wicked up to 4595 around this level. 4595 level. I'll probably close the stream early today. There's no more trades because I'm also have to do something right now, and then if I have time I'll do a PM stream, because the trade is I already took my trade. I'm not really a fan of taking multiple trades per session, but yeah, let's just see. Yeah, it's probably gonna go up since how we respected the fair value gap. So I would expect price to at least take the buy side above here, and above here, and then I'll see what the PM does. Yeah, it would be pretty interesting to see. So if I get home in time, I'm gonna trade a PM as well. Yeah. I'll probably close the stream early. As I said, I'm busy. Yeah, so let's see if there's any trades. There's this fair value gap that we perfectly basically respected. So the 50% of it's being respected, didn't close. Now we're coming in. But we're keep this gap open. There's low resistance liquidity run. Yeah, it's probably to the upside. but I'm not gonna be bothered with that because I'm done for AM session. And thank you guys for watching the stream. I'm gonna close the stream a little bit early today, just for the sake of me being busy. But of course, I'm gonna try to do my best to do a PM stream, which is gonna be tough, but I'm gonna do it for you guys, and then we can maybe find a good setup, maybe not, but we'll see what happens. So thank you so much for being on the stream. Like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter, and good luck, good trading. See you in the next stream, video, or in my Discord. So goodbye.